Hey, welcome to Blink and Bounce, the channel where quirky memes and curiosity collide. That makes you blink once and bounce twice. Let's get started.
How good is your knowledge of animals? Challenge yourself with these exciting questions. Before get started, please subscribe to the Blink and Bounce channel. Which one is the strongest, the lion or the tiger? Your time start now. Yes, the tiger wins. Which one is the loudest? The blue whale or the howler monkey? Your time start now. The blue whale. Its sound can travel over 500 miles. Which one is the fastest? The gazelle or the cheetah? Your time start now. Yes, the cheetah. Cheetah can run up to 70 miles per hour. Which insect can make honey? The wasp or the bee? Your time start now. Yes, it's the bee. Which one has no blood? The octopus or the starfish? Your time start now. You are right. It's the starfish. Which one sleeps with one eye open? The dolphin or the whale? Absolutely, it's the dolphin. Which one has the longest tongue compared to its body? The chameleon or the anteater? Answer the question in comment section. No doubt, it's chameleon. Its tongue can up to twice as long as its body. Who can swim the farthest without stopping its body? The elephant seal or the whale shark? Hurry up, think again. Yes, absolutely. It's the elephant seal. It can travel over 12,000 miles in a single migration. Who can see ultraviolet light? The fox or the reindeer? The fox. You had played very well. For more interesting challenges, please subscribe to Blink and Bounce channel.